Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With the upcoming 2025 Audi Royal Motorhome, the prestigious German automaker will make a major entry into the premium recreational vehicle market. This motorhome, which is envisioned as a smooth continuation of Audi's well-established values of elegant design, cutting-edge technology, and superior craftsmanship, seeks to raise the bar for mobile luxury. It is anticipated that the external appearance will reflect Audi's distinctive design language, which is distinguished by precise attention to detail, exquisite proportions, and clean lines. As one might anticipate, aerodynamic concepts are harmoniously integrated to produce a design that is both aesthetically pleasing and fuel-efficient. Typical Audi lighting features, such dynamic turn signals and sophisticated LED matrix headlights, would probably be included, giving the car a contemporary and easily identifiable look. The construction would probably make extensive use of lightweight yet sturdy materials, which are a hallmark of Audi engineering and promise longevity and optimal performance. Unquestionably, the interior of the 2025 Audi Royal Motorhome would demonstrate a dedication to unmatched comfort and luxury. An atmosphere of sophisticated elegance would be produced by using premium natural materials, such as brushed aluminum accents, polished wood veneers, and expensive leathers. The layout would be thoughtfully planned to optimize both space and functionality, maybe including modular living spaces that can be modified to suit different requirements. Modern entertainment systems, a fully furnished gourmet kitchen, and tastefully furnished sleeping accommodations are all intended to be combined with Audi's user-friendly interface and connectivity options. The motorhome would probably have the newest technological advancements from Audi. This might feature a suite of advanced driving assistance systems tailored for a wider vehicle platform, a fully digital cockpit with programmable displays, and an extensive infotainment system with seamless smartphone connection. Additionally, in keeping with Audi's dedication to sustainability, the powertrain may include hybrid or even entirely electric components, which would be in line with upcoming environmental regulations. The 2025 Audi Royal Motorhome is designed to be a mobile haven that seamlessly blends the conveniences of a luxury home with the freedom of the open road. Rather than just a vehicle, it would serve a discriminating customer base that appreciates superior craftsmanship, subtle luxury, and state-of-the-art technology. The idea of an Audi Royal Motorhome implies a daring and potentially revolutionary entry to the luxury RV sector, offering a distinctive fusion of automotive excellence and recreational enjoyment. Even though specifics are still up in the air, its introduction might herald a new standard for opulent mobile living and bring Audi's stellar reputation into a whole new market.